Hey Meta, start live AI.
Show me what an African violet would look like here.
Nice.
Meta has introduced the Ray-Ban display glasses at its Connect 2025 event. They are the first consumer smart glasses from Ray-Ban with a built-in display. The package includes the Meta Neural Band, a wristband that uses surface electromyography, SEMG, to pick up subtle muscle/finger movements so you can control the glasses without touching them or pulling out your phone. Price $799 includes the glasses plus wristband. Release date September 30th, 2025 for the US. Other countries, Canada, UK, France, Italy, early 2026. Display a small full-color display in the right lens, designed for short interactions, notifications, navigation, etc., so as not to block vision. Resolution and brightness 600 by 600 pixels. Brightness between 30 and 5000 nits. Battery life around 6 hours under mixed usage, with the charging, portable, case up to 30 hours. NeuralBand wristband detects finger/hand gestures, includes haptic feedback, water resistance. Battery life 18 hours. Colors/sizes 2 colors, black, sand, 2 frame sizes. Transitions lenses, adjusts between indoor/outdoor. It offers more functionality than previous Ray-Ban Meta/Ray-Ban Stories lines, which had cameras, audio, sensors but no display. Having a display plus gesture controls closes some of that gap. Gesture control via the wristband is significant, less reliance on voice, more discreet, more intuitive for short tasks. The battery life is decent for what the device aims to do, but 6 hours means you'll likely need to charge or use the case for longer periods.